This is the Quintana beach. Hundreds, probably thousands cars are here. The water is beautiful. It's green. It's nice to play in water. I met two old friends here. We met years ago, right?
Yeah.
And, oh, you got something over there? Probably not. Oh, this one. Yeah, cool. Okay, I just got some street fish with a net and a little crab. These are all very nice bait. This gentleman made some kind of weight by himself. How did you make it?
I think I used a 2x4 and I drill it, and then wait a minute. Oh, I made two pieces, 2x4s. And first I drilled a hole in, then I cut it in half. And then I drilled little holes in.
Drilled the little spikes
Yes,
into
yeah, there you go.
So where did you get it laid?
Off the streets.
Off the street. Then
Yeah.
you basically melted the lead, made a mold, and
Yeah.
make this guy.
Now
What?
see, oh here.
Oh,
now,
this is
see, that's
even
my Star
funnier.
Wars model right there.
Yeah, this is a funny. Wow, okay, that's cool. What else you have? You made all this, and those two look really good.
I got like a real big one that I made,
Okay.
like about 8 ounce,
Wow.
maybe 9 ounce.
Wow.
They're huge. But I don't think I have them with me in here. I did.
So when you say you got another, you got plenty more.
Yeah.
He just lost his weight.
Oh yeah,
It's all right.
yeah, there are a lot. Yeah.
Okay, here's one that I was experimenting with.
Wow. Okay.
That's probably about 7.
Popsicle.
That's cool.
Yeah, exactly. I
Okay.
was
Wonderful.
experimenting with that one.
Oh,
That's
this
probably
is
about 7.
a huge one, right?
Yeah, that's about 7, maybe 8.
Wow. Got a very nice stone crab here. It's pretty big. That one I cannot keep because there has eggs there. Don't know if you can see that. But anyway, that I will let her go. Oh, there's a shark.